Hi to all. Today, Annadata Sukhi Bhava, the bread giver is Sukhi Bhava. We convey all sincere thanks on behalf of Amma Asara Foundation, Bhartamata, Social Service Societies, Home for the Destitute and Mentally and physically challenged senior citizens to Chiranjeevi, Anisha Gupta ji, Sri Pawan Gupta ji, Srimati Neelu Gupta ji and family members for sponsoring food for the 65 inmates of this home on July 7th, 2025 on the occasion of auspicious festival Toli Ekadashi. Thanks and Vishnumurti wishes to Chiranjeevi, Anisha Gupta ji, Sri Pawan Gupta ji, Srimati Neelu Gupta ji and family members and Annadata Sukhi Bhava. We pray the God Vishnumurti to bless the sponsors to the Chiranjeevi, Anisha Gupta ji, Sri Pawan Gupta ji, Srimati Neelu Gupta ji, alage with health, wealth, prosperity and longevity. The sponsors to the bless the Vishnumurti to we pray the God Vishnumurti to bless the sponsors with health, wealth, prosperity and longevity and 100 years of fulfill of health and prosperity to the sponsors. And specially thanks to Sri Yuduri Pendesar and Pushpalila Ammagaru 365 days support to this ashramam. We pray the God Vishnumurti to the Pendesar and family members to the fulfill of 100 years health, wealth, prosperity and longevity. And specially thanks to the Neelu Gupta ji and Pawan Gupta ji, Anisha Gupta ji today sponsor the menu items to the inmates. Fruits, banana, sweet jalebi, rice, tomato masala, tomato dal, sambar. Annadata Sukhi Bhava, Annadata Annadata Sukhi Bhava, Sukhi Bhava, Sukhi Bhava, Sukhi Bhava.